Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we learn English easily and confidently. In today's video, we are going to learn about articles, one of the most important topics in English grammar. Many learners make mistakes using a, an, and the, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll use them perfectly. What are articles? Articles are small words used before nouns. They help us know whether we are talking about something specific or general. There are 3 articles in English. 1. A. 2. An. 3. The. Types of articles. Articles are divided into 2 types. 1. Indefinite articles, a and an. 2. Definite article, the. Indefinite articles a and an. We use an when we talk about something general or not specific. Rule. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Example. 1. A car. 2. A boy. 3. A dog. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Example. 1. An apple. 2. An elephant. 3. An idea. 4. An umbrella. Note: it depends on sound, not just the letter. Example. 1.an hour because h is silent. 2. A university because u sounds like u. Definite article the. We use the when we talk about something specific or already known. Examples. 1. The sun rises in the east. 2. The book on the table is mine. 3. The Taj Mahal is in India. Use the when. There is only one of something, the sky, the moon. You have already mentioned it before. You talk about superlatives, the best, the tallest. You talk about names of rivers, seas, mountains, newspapers, etc. Example. The Ganga, the Himalayas, the Times of India. No article needed. Sometimes, we don't use any articles. No article before. Names of people. I met Rahul. Languages. He speaks English. Subjects. She likes math. Countries except the USA, the UK. Quick recap. A. Before consonant sound, a cat. An. Before vowel sound, an apple. The. Before something specific, the sun. A. An. The. Quick rules. Use a before words starting with consonant sounds b, c, d, f, g. Use an before words starting with vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u. Use the for specific or unique things. Summary. 1. A before consonant sound. 2. An before vowel sound. 3. The for specific or unique things. So friends, you just learned articles a, an, the with all 26 alphabets, A to Z. Try making your own sentences in the comments section below. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching.